That text message is worth gold to you. Here's another secret for you. No matter what you're doing today, no matter what you're mailing, no matter who you're mailing it to, um, try this secret. Text somebody when you mail something to them, text them 2 days before it arrives and say, Michael, in the next few days, you'll go to your mailbox and see a bright yellow postcard from me. When you see it, please read this quick story and then share it with a friend, family member, or colleague who needs to hear this. Thanks. Let's talk soon. Get the idea of this one right now. If you're going to send something to someone in their mailbox and you know them well enough that you've got their cell phone number and you've got the type of relationship where you text each other, tell them you sent them something in the mail. It could be your newsletter. It could be a piece of marketing like this. It doesn't matter. Say in the next few days, you're going to go to your mailbox and describe the item that they're going to see. When you see it, just read it real quickly and then share it with a friend, family member, or colleague who really needs to hear this information right now. Thanks. Let's talk soon. That text message is worth gold to you. Absolute gold. Text people before they go to their mailbox. You don't have to do it with 100 people. Try this with 5 people this week. If you already have mailings going out, send a text message that looks exactly like this one. Just describe what it is that they're going to get in their mailbox.